it's a fresh new week and here we are with some fresh stories from the world of Bollywood and social media. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री
और मैं हूं मनीष आनंद एंड वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट शो प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड। लेकिन शो शुरू करने से पहले लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट आवर टॉप ट्रेंडिंग स्टोरीज।
Over 1,000 trees were cut in the RA colony, Mumbai. Bollywood reacts on that.
आलिया भट्ट का कहना है टू बी अ मासी एक्टर उन्हें फिल्म्स चूज करते वक्त अपने दिमाग में कोई लिमिटेशंस या बैरियर्स नहीं रखनी चाहिए।
अयान मुखर्जी ने फिल्म ब्रह्मास्त्र के रिलीज डेट पुश होने की असली वजह बताई।
और पीबी ऑडियंस रिएक्ट्स पर हम लेंगे आपके टॉप कमेंट्स।
Well, this is your segment जहां हम आपके टॉप कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं हमारे ट्रेंडिंग स्टोरीज पर। और लास्ट हमने डिस्कस किया था जहां 49 सेलिब्रिटीज पर एफआईआर फाइल किया गया जिन्होंने पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी को एक ओपन लेटर लिखा था।
That's right, और आपके काफी सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज आए थे एंड द फर्स्ट ऑन टॉप ओवर हियर इज जय ब्रह्मा who says if at all anyone is to be blamed it is the judiciary who has ordered the registration of the case and the overactive advocate who is to be blamed, not Modi ji, who has got nothing to do with this, but some idiots would see Modi ji as a villain in this issue.
All right, we've got Ravi Shankar Meenapalli who says it is not okay to file FIR for letter, but it's absolutely okay to file FIR for the political agenda behind it and for irresponsibility to make public and publicity.
And then UM013 says the reason for FIR is kind of silly, but these 49 celebrities are always selective. Anurag Kashyap also shared fake cases. He himself was acting stupid and then acted like a victim and deleted his Twitter. They are selective in their concerns. I don't really agree with this.
Yeah, even I don't agree with this.
I mean, at the end of the day, we're not talking about what he did, in his personal action. And let's face it, that he was literally asked to take down his Twitter post, and he has been standing up for what we should all be doing. So let's encourage this behavior and not discourage it.
Right.
Just what I have to
not
say.
to forget that this was about mob lynching
Yes.
towards Muslims, Dalits and minorities in the
Correct.
country. And वहीं पर Don SRK कहते हैं only happens in India. While in developed countries with educated politicians, people get the right to say whatever they think. And I think that's what democracy is all about. We should get the right to speak what we want to.
Right, we're all entitled to our opinions and we're all entitled to say exactly what we feel, but whether it's right or wrong is debatable. Just like शाहरुख खान ने हमारे अगले स्टोरी में कहा था कि सोशल मीडिया पे अपने पर्सनल लाइफ या अपना पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स डालने में उनको दिक्कत है, he does not do that and he doesn't encourage it, और उस पर आप लोगों की काफी रिस्पॉन्सेज आए हैं।
वहीं लॉबी वोंग कहते हैं what Shahrukh is trying to say is he doesn't want to be a part of being a noise maker, but rather wants to focus on the main issue. It's got nothing to do with old generation or young generation.
That's fair, I guess. He doesn't want to really tom-tom about his problems, but
True.
just wants to solve them quietly and in his own way, which is completely acceptable. फिर वहीं Rukia Shabir says, love you Shahrukh, there can be stars and superstars, but the Badshah is only one. That's still, I mean, it's not related to the story, but we still appreciate love for our favorite stars.
वहीं अलीशा कहती हैं I love SRK and he has the complete freedom of not putting his views on social media platforms because he is clear about it. At least he's not a hypocrite like some fake feminists like whatever.
Right, and Pankaj Gupta actually makes quite a fair point. He says it's their opinion if they want to talk about any particular topic, but please don't force anyone to put an opinion out there. He is great, so thank you for sharing your opinion.
वहीं पर we had an exclusive interview with Saif Ali Khan where he commented on Kabir Singh and how films में stalking दिखाया जाता है। तो वहीं पर हमें बहुत सारे responses मिले जहां OM कहते हैं I have seen many Kabir Singhs in life and I have seen my female friends being victim. I have seen girls crave a boyfriend like Kabir Singh. I don't know, maybe the audience is only stupid.
That's actually debatable. We're not going to get into that. Percy says, I don't think that it's a filmmaker's job to always send a social message through his or her films or see how the movie is going to impact the society. It's his view or take a topic and should be free to express it without any reservation, self-censorship, or else his craft will get affected, which is exactly what we were talking about the other day here.
True, and Puneet Chhabra says, I don't understand why all movies are blamed. What is shown in the movie is really happening in our society to someone or the other, and today people are getting open-minded.
Chakram says stalking is something where the girl is rejecting the boy and the boy goes behind her. That is not the case with Kabir Singh. Neither he is abusive. Yes, he slaps the girl once. When he loses his control in anger, that is not...
Basically, she's trying to defend the film and kind of explain it.
Well, guys, this is exactly why we do this segment, for you guys to let us know what you think and to have these conversations. Whether we agree on certain topics or not is really irrespective. The point is that these conversations start, and which is what is important.
Absolutely.
And a completely off-topic message comes from Mohammed Shah, who says, Zoom, you guys are doing a great job. God bless you. Now I'm scared to comment anything.
Oh, I think he's giving a hint on 49 celebrities actually getting an FIR filed against them.
Yeah, either that or something else altogether. But
But
nonetheless,
thank you.
we are still going to take it as a compliment. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. We are trying hard to bring you guys all the latest news updates and information from Bollywood and social media. And that's what we do here.
जैसे ही बॉम्बे हाईकोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट सामने आया दैट आरए डज नॉट फॉल इन द फॉरेस्ट एरिया, उसी रात ऑफिशियल्स ने ट्रीज कट करने शुरू कर दिए एंड थ्रू द नाइट ओवर 1000 trees were cut.
That's right. And this hasty behavior by the government officials has not just shocked Bollywood, but has angered a lot of Bollywood. Now, we'll get into this story, but before that, our question to you guys is, do you think that this collective effort of Bollywood will actually bring about a change? Do write in and let us know using the hashtag. तो सागरिका, ये जो आरए का conversation है, काफी अभी कुछ महीने से चल रहा है, and a part of Bollywood is for the felling of trees, but most of Bollywood is completely against it, and they have been very vocal about it.
True.
You know, the activists have come out and showed their support insofar as, you know, the stopping of cutting of these trees is concerned, and nobody's saying that the development of the city is not necessary. We are all for it, but having said that, there are other ways to do it, and
Yeah.
that is the general consensus opinion of even Bollywood.
Right, we are for the development, but not at the cost of the environment. And I think people are feeling cheated क्योंकि जिस दिन बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने ये वर्डिक्ट सुनाया कि आरए कॉलोनी डज नॉट फॉलो इन द फॉरेस्ट जोन, जिस पर 4 पिटिशंस फाइल किए गए थे, बस उसे डिसमिस करते ही ऑफिशियल्स ने कट करना शुरू कर दिया ट्रीज, एंड दैट्स वेयर द पीपल फेल्ट चीटेड बिकॉज
There was no time given.
एग्जैक्टली एटलीस्ट 15 डेज का पीरियड होता है जहां पर आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अप्रोच कर सकते हो, बट नाउ लुक एट इट, द डैमेज हैज बीन डन, ओवर 1000 ट्रीज आर कट एंड 2700 ट्रीज को काटना था अप्रोक्सीमेटली अगर आपको आरए कॉलोनी में वो कार शेड बनाना था फॉर मुंबई मेट्रो, एंड ओवर 1000 ट्रीज हैव ऑलरेडी बीन कट. I mean we hear almost 50% of the work has been done.
Yeah, the damage has been done, but you know the question is, which is what is shocking everyone, is that if there is a situation where we're going by law and we're going as per a certain, you know, democratic rule, the ability to question and to appeal to a higher court should always be given.
True.
And if this haste has been made and if these trees have been cut in haste, the question mark immediately arises ki why? Why could you not wait for an appeal to the Supreme Court? Why could you not wait for a final verdict if there was nothing wrong that you were doing with this situation?
Absolutely. ऊपर से हम सुन रहे हैं कि वहाँ सेक्शन 144 इम्पोज किया गया था, और जितने लोगों को ये पता चला कि वहाँ कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज हो रही है, there were environmentalists, there were activists जो वहाँ पे पहुंचे, even the locals there just refused to leave from that spot and they were
Right.
silently protesting, and 29 people were arrested and put behind bars for what? For asking the government officials to stop cutting trees and
And this
give
was
them
a silent
chance.
and
Yeah.
this was a silent protest. Let's
Yeah.
not forget that this was a silent protest, and these 29 people finally were granted bail, where they had to pay 7,000 rupees, you know, against their bail. Each of them, which is still a large amount of money. And
True.
this is for what? What is happening here is the question that we're asking. And so is Bollywood at this point. काफी लोगों ने tweet करके कहा है, काफी चीजें बोली हैं. Diya Mirza says, number one, people opposing the felling of RA trees are not opposing the metro. You know, this is a point that everyone needs to be very clear about. कोई
True.
metro को oppose नहीं कर रहा है. The second point she makes is, if my love for nature makes me a moron, I'm okay with that. call me what you like, which is rather
Wow.
true. Yeah, you know, how can you not love nature, and how can you be calling other people moron for standing up for nature?
Absolutely. वही फरहान अख्तर कहते हैं cutting trees at night is a pathetic attempt at trying to get away with something even those doing it know is wrong.
And then Richa Chadha says they've cut 2,000 trees already in the middle of the night while detaining peaceful protesters, activists, and Adivasis, blocking roads till RA. Anyone else feeling the timing of this was suspect? It's a question that everyone's asking.
That's right. वहीं आलिया भट्ट कहती है there's always been a conflict between development and conservation. Yes, the city needs to build infrastructure to support a growing population, but the city also needs trees and parks and greenery. We need to protect nature like life depends on it because it does. Let Mumbai breathe.
फिर जूही चावला कहती हैं a forest is a complex ecosystem consisting mainly of trees that buffer the earth and support a myriad of life forms. The layers of leaves that fall to the ground the trees prevent running off and allows water to percolate into the soil. So the whole ecosystem, like Jui Chawla is saying, is very important for not just the metro but for our survival, which is what people are not understanding.
वहीं वरुण धवन कहते हैं this is heartbreaking news with such an outcry to stop the cutting of trees. Why is this being allowed? Mumbai has done enough for the people in power to realize cutting down RA is something the citizens don't want. और वरुण धवन के इस ट्वीट के बाद एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज हुई मनीष, जहां पर एक यूजर ने कहा कि आप सेव द ट्रीज को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, आरए को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो. व्हाट अबाउट फिल्म सिटी इन गोरेगांव? देयर इज अ ह्यूज एरिया जहां पर फिल्म सिटी जहां ट्रीज को कट करके कंक्रीट बना दिया गया है. एंड ही सेज शाकसर दालवी एक यूजर है, वो कहते हैं एनी वाइज वर्ड्स ऑन दिस विद दिस पर्टिकुलर पिक्चर व्हिच यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन राइट नाउ. फिल्म सिटी एट आरए इन 2000 एंड फिल्म सिटी एट आरए इन 2019, जिस पर वरुण धवन reply भी करते हैं saying this is almost definitely wrong, but what wrong has been done in the past doesn't need to be repeated. It's not a blame game. Dalvi saab, let's do what's right now.
Right. I mean, it's very important to recognize what's right. Yes, there has been damage done in the past, but it doesn't mean that we need to further damage by pointing fingers at someone in the past saying that, अरे उसने किया है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं अब. I mean, that's ridiculous to actually, consider. You know what's very interesting, सागरिका, यहाँ पर कि कुछ महीने पहले Amazon rainforest में there was this huge forest fire, and the entire not just the country but the entire world was concerned about this, stating that the Amazon rainforest are the lungs of the planet. Okay, to which I want to point out something over here, to which the Mumbai police tweeted saying loss of the Amazon rainforest is a loss to the entire mankind. Let us all resolve to protect and conserve our flora and fauna before it is too late. If not us, then who? If not now, then when? I don't think I really need to say much more.
Absolutely. I have so much to say. There's so much filled in, but look at it. It's unfortunate. The damage has been done already. If we talk about RA forest here, we're talking about more than 1,000 trees that have already been cut down. आप कितने भी discussions कर लो, कितना भी voice out कर लो, the truth is the trees have been cut, and this just shows that there is very little space for democracy left in recent times if we were to judge by what's happening right now.
But Sagarika, I feel like there still is hope. All is not lost. We can do something. Bollywood is trying to do whatever they can. आप लोग जो घर पे बैठे हो, you guys can do whatever you can. And just to kind of highlight where we are right now in this case, the Supreme Court has finally put a stay order on the construction of the car shed at the RA forest. And इसकी सुनवाई होगी on the 21st of October. Until then, government officials are not allowed to cut any more trees or to do any more construction in this area. So this is some amount of promising news, but we'll only have to wait and watch and see what happens, hoping for the best. In a recent interview, one of the leading female actors of this country, Alia Bhatt, has said having too many barriers and limitations in her mind will not allow her become a massy actor.
That's right. And Manish, we have already stereotyped what a massy film is or should be. But the question is to you guys. Do you think Bollywood should change the definition of a massy film? Let us know using our hashtag below. यार बचपन से ना मासी मसाला फिल्म्स देख के ही हम बड़े हुए हैं. We've seen films like Sholay, Diwar, we've seen Amar Akbar Anthony. These are all मासी मसाला films which have action, comedy, drama, romance, songs, and that's what a masala film is. लेकिन क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि over the years जो मसाला फिल्में हैं वो थोड़ी change हो गई है? There has been an introduction of a slow-mo and the cars crashing and dialogues.
Okay, well, in my opinion, first of all, I don't really agree with this, definition of a masala action film, yeah, massy emotional film, yeah. A film is a film, all right? It's supposed to do certain things to you. Either it, evokes an emotion from you, yeah, it changes your mindset about certain things, or it just purely entertains you. Now, that is what my definition of watching a film is all about. Now, what is the meaning of massy here? And I think that is what the question is. Ki Alia Bhatt keh rahi है कि I don't want to box myself in by saying that मुझे इसी टाइप की फिल्म्स करने हैं या I want to do films with a social message या I want to do films that are completely out of the box and extraordinary and I want to get just critical acclaim. She's saying that she wants to do one of these CT maar dhamakedar Bollywood masala massy films, which honestly that's great. That's fantastic, and that you know what you want to do. But I just feel like she's already been doing that. I mean, she hasn't reached the status of being one of the top actresses in this country by not doing films that the masses love. So, in my opinion, a massy film is a film that the masses love. That's it.
Absolutely, but I also think she's thinking from a different perspective, because जब आप एक top actress का आपके पास tag मिल जाता है, once you become successful, then there's so much pressure, there's so much expectation from the audience that if you take that pressure कि oh my god, if I choose this role, what will my audience think? If you start thinking from that perspective, is when you may fall in trouble, is what I think she's trying to say. And वो कह रही है कि अगर आपने too many limitations और barriers रखे तो आप आप उस बाउंड्री से बाहर नहीं सोच पाएंगे. So maybe she is right at what she's saying, where she says that let my creative juices flow at this point in time. See, once you've made a name for yourself in the industry, once you established yourself, that's the time you can start exploring different things. Now, what new you can give to your audience? She's already done so many films and different genres altogether. What next?
I mean, there's no doubt about the fact that Alia Bhatt is probably one of the most talented actors, male or female, in this country right now. And she has done a plethora of work. मतलब उन्होंने ऐसी फिल्में की हैं which have been super hits, which have got her critical acclaim, whether it's Highway, whether it's Razi, which also in my opinion was actually a massy film. But it had also great content. And
also some have not worked, but I think she's always bounced back.
She's always... देखो, ये एक बात बहुत ही clear है कि किसी ने ये कभी नहीं कहा है कि Alia Bhatt cannot act or she has not pulled off a character. She has been effortless, she has been flawless, and she's done things to complete ease. So I guess that's also the expectation from her fans and her audience कि मतलब इतना अच्छा talent है, there's so much of potential in this one person. We don't want to probably see her doing something that's absolutely frivolous and doesn't actualize what she's capable of. कि मतलब she really makes the audience feel certain things. And I think that is what the audience expect from her. But I get what she's saying कि मुझे ऐसे फिल्में करनी है that I don't have to really think about, which is fair enough. But again, my question over here is, what is a massy film? I think a massy film is purely a film that the audiences really love and enjoy, whether it is a film with a social message or not.
Yeah, absolutely. We've seen Salman Khan being the leader in Bollywood when it comes to massy films, because we've all seen how much fans love him. And I think you get that stardom when the masses start to follow you and adore you completely. We've seen Akshay Kumar in A House Full 4 doing these kind of films, but he also does films like Holiday and Baby, जहाँ पर उनके दूसरे तरीके के अवतार नजर आते हैं आपको. वहीं पर रजनीकांत does massy films, but I also think कि कहीं ना कहीं over the last 10-15 years we've lost the whole essence of what a massy film used to be, because I think in the 70s and 80s mass masala films जो थी वहाँ पर एक स्टोरी लाइन आपको कहीं ना कहीं नजर आती थी. बट आजकल जो हम फिल्में देख रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी बढ़ गई है कि we see so much of slow-mo and turning of heads, and of course whistles आती है. There are people who like that kind of cinema, but a recent trailer जो मरजावा की ट्रेलर आई थी, there were so many controversies and mixed reviews जो आए थे उस ट्रेलर को लेकर.
In fact, Karan Johar ने उस टाइम पे ट्वीट करके ये कहा था, this is what a full-on commercial commercial masala film should be Siti Maar and Dhamakedar? Well, in my opinion, a commercial masala film is a film that's loved in small towns and villages, in the metros and big cities, overseas. So a good film is a good film, and that's what my opinion is of a Masi film.
And hence, you let us know what you think. Should Bollywood change the definition of a Masi film? Use our hashtag and comment below.
और अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere because we will be right back. Well, here we have for the first time since 2018 Durga Puja, Ayan Mukherjee interacting with media personnel at 2019 Durga Puja, where he clears the air about why the release date of Brahmastra has been pushed. Let's check this out and we'll talk about it right after.
हम लोग ने ब्रह्मास्त्र का लोगो लॉन्च किया था और उसकी रिलीज डेट भी अनाउंस की थी मार्च के महीने में। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म जब आप देखेंगे तो शायद ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा, बट द फिल्म इज़ इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग स्केल फिल्म एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ विजुअल इफेक्ट्स इन द फिल्म। बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत है टू मेक द फिल्म एंड वी अंडरस्टूड दैट टू मेक द फिल्म करेक्टली हमें और वक्त की ज़रूरत थी। सो अभी हमारा गोल है कि हमें एक्चुअली तभी समझ में आ गया था कि फिल्म को ठीक तरह से बनाने के लिए हमें ज़्यादा वक्त चाहिए था। सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट गोल इज़ समवेयर मिडिल ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर कि फिल्म ढंग से तैयार हो जाएगी और रिलीज़ हो सकती है। लेकिन हम अभी ये कह रहे नहीं हैं, क्योंकि कह के वापस चेंज करना शायद इट विल नॉट बी गुड। सो वी आर एमिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड व्हेन वी आर वेरी श्योर देन वी विल अनाउंस द रिलीज डेट।
Finally, Ayan Mukherjee speaks up and clears the air. I mean, जब ये न्यूज़ सामने आई थी मनीष की ब्रह्मास्त्र जो रिलीज होने वाली थी क्रिसमस 2019, जैसे ही सलमान खान ने दबंग 3 का अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया था, उसके कुछ देर बाद सुनने में आया था कि ब्रह्मास्त्र पुश हो रही है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट रेडी विद द फिल्म। अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टार्टेड स्पेकुलेटिंग दैट रणबीर कपूर वर्सेस सलमान खान, रणबीर कपूर की टीम डर गई बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दबंग हैज बीन अ हिट फ्रेंचाइज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। But it was nice of the team to not kind of speak up at that time because speculations जो है वो तो आती रहती है और जाती रहती है. But now finally when the right time has come, he's spoken up and it's and I think there are fair reasons why the film is being pushed.
Yeah, exactly. And the reasons for this film, जैसा आया ने कहा है कि इतनी बड़ी बजट फिल्म है, ये इस फिल्म में काफी सारे VFX है, there's a lot of post production that has to be done on this film, and he's also saying कि फिल्म की थोड़ी शूटिंग भी बाकी है, तो फिल्म कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है और ऐसे ही हाफ बेक्ड फिल्म को रिलीज करना मतलब नहीं बनता है, which I personally agree with,
True, they were very confident. उन्होंने लोगो लॉन्च किया था, उन्होंने डेट भी वहां पर लिखा था कि कब रिलीज होने वाली है. People were excited, but we must remember it's a trilogy. There's a lot of work, VFX work that needs to be put in. I mean, script wise, shoot wise, even if they're ready, post production में time लगता है. And we've seen in the past films that have gone wrong जहाँ बहुत कम time में उन्होंने shoot करके release भी कर दी थी. And the last film that I remember is Race 3.
In fact, with Race 3 हमने उस टाइम पे रेमो डिसूजा ने खुल के बोला था कि the film has been half baked and it's just been released in a rush and he wasn't happy with the final product. In fact, फिल्म ने तो ठीक ठाक कलेक्शंस किए थे at the box office, लेकिन सलमान खान के फैंस ने खुद ही कहा था कि this is not a nice सलमान खान film और हम इस फिल्म से सहमत नहीं हैं, and we don't appreciate सलमान खान films being made like this.
True, because memes आए थे. I remember जितनी भी एक्शन सीक्वेंस है जहां VFX का इस्तेमाल किया गया था, फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम उसे बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ऑडियंस ने सवाल उठाए थे कि एक इक्विपमेंट जो उनके हाथ में है, अगर वो इस एंगल में है तो जहां पर वो पहुंचता है वो कर्व्ड कैसे है. तो इस तरीके के इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे. एंड ऑडियंस इज इंटेलिजेंट एंड इफ यू डू
I mean, there's some basic laws of physics which we can't ignore here right now, and yes, the audience is intelligent and they are going to ask these questions. So I think what Ayan Mukherjee is doing is actually a rather sensible thing. वो खुल के honestly बोल रहे हैं कि हमारी फिल्म complete नहीं है, हमें और टाइम लगेगा. We apologize for the fact कि हमने already announcement की थी. We thought that we would make it in time, but we can't. So we will now make an announcement in due course, and when we know for sure कि कब फिल्म release हो रही है, which I think is a very sensible, mature thing. And the thing one needs to look over here is कि वो as a filmmaker, as a producer, Karan Johar भी is allowing this extension and is accepting that we probably were at fault to preempt and prematurely announce a release date, and it's a known fact. Ayan Mukherjee is a very hard-working director. He gets extremely involved in his scripts, and we've seen the 2 films that he has made have been stupendous successes. So we hope for the third one as well. Well, with that, we come to the end of this episode, but we will be back again tomorrow with all the scoop from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, this is me, Manish.
And this is me, Sagarika Chetri. And don't forget to join our conversation on our digital platforms using our hashtag. And until tomorrow, good night.